Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you inside my living room. So the first thing that you get to see when you enter my living room is my brand Slick and Shine. So if you don't know what Slick and Shine is, it's a hair gel brand that I launched in January this year 2020. So I like placing my gels here because it's easier for me to pick my orders the next day when I'm leaving for work. Yeah, so the gels are sitting on this table that used to sit in my kitchen. I used to place my gas on top of this table, but when I got a cooker, I didn't want to get rid of this table, so I figured a way on which I can still use it. So I use it in my living room as an entryway table or as a console table. Then on top of the table, I have these beautiful decor books that I got from Home Decor 254. They were going for 900 shilling each. And then on top of the decor books, I have this candle holder that I also got from them. It was 1,000 shillings, and the candle from House of Leather. So onto the wall, I have this beautiful round mirror that I got from House of Leather about a year ago. It was going for 15 to 100 shillings, and it was on offer. So onto the table, I also have this beautiful vase that I got from House of Leather. So far, this is one of my favorite things that I got from House of Leather. It was going for 2,500 shillings, and I added some leaves into it. And then next, I have this shoe rack that I got almost 6 years ago for around 4,500 shillings. Yeah, so I just placed my shoes there, and then next to it I have this beautiful vase with a palm tree that I got along Mombasa Road for 1,000 shillings. And then next I have this fridge. I have my fridge, not this fridge. I have my fridge. My fridge is sitting in the living room because my kitchen is very small. Okay. Okay, so moving on, I had my sofa custom made. I didn't want a ready-made sofa because I wanted to be there when the fundi was making the sofa. I also wanted to choose my own fabric for the sofa. So when I was window shopping before I got my sofa, I was not getting this shade of gray like the one you're seeing right now. The only shade of gray that I got that was close to this was at Furniture Palace. It was way more expensive than my budget, so that's the reason also why I had my sofa custom made. So the sofa was going for 45,000 shillings, and this was the most expensive buy in this house. But I've had this sofa for Okay, so just next after the sofa, I have a TV stand. So before I show you the TV, so I got my curtains from Isli, and you know Isli is the plug for cheap curtains. Well, my curtains were not that cheap because they're going for 900 shillings per meter, but I believe you can get curtains from 400 going up, you know. Yeah, so I got these simple gray curtains with white shears because gray is my favorite color. Next to the window, I have this fox plant, or rather fake plant, that I got from Home Decor 254 sometime back last year. It was going for 3,500 shillings together with the basket. And then I made that stool that you're seeing from my fundi, and he only charged me, I think, 1,000 shillings to make the stool. Okay, so like I said, I made my TV stand out of a wardrobe, out of an old wardrobe. And I painted the wardrobe by myself, and that's why it doesn't look that neat. So I got these gold pieces from House of Leather. They were going for 300 shillings per piece. So I got two. I have one on this other side of the TV stand and one on the other side. I also got the roses from House of Leather. They were going for 400 shillings per three pieces. And then for my rug, that is the carpet, I got it from Isli. It was going for 8,000 shillings. I don't know how big or how small it is, because I don't know, I can't remember, you guys, I can't remember. And then for my table, I had it custom made by my fundi, and he only charged me 4,000 shillings. This is a round coffee table. And then on top of that, I have decor books that I got from Home Decor Kenya. They were going for 900 shillings per piece. And then I also got the candle holder from them, and the candle from House of Leather. The candle holder was going for 1,000 shillings, and the candle was going for 1,000 shillings as well. Yeah guys, so this is it for my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. You turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram at Ruth_Chari and Facebook at Ruth Chari. So until next time guys, bye.